Drawing is a wonderful hobby and a skill that can be learned by anyone. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, learning to draw can be a fun and rewarding experience. In this article, I'll go over some tips and techniques that will help you improve your drawing skills and achieve your artistic goals. First, start by learning the basic shapes and forms. All objects can be broken down into basic shapes, such as circles, squares, and triangles. By learning to draw these basic shapes, you'll be able to create more complex forms and subjects. Start with simple shapes and work your way up to more challenging subjects as you improve your skills. Next, work on your observation skills. It's important to learn to see objects as they truly are and to capture their essence in your drawings. This means paying attention to details, such as the way light falls on an object, and the way different shapes and forms relate to one another. Use a pencil and sketchpad to practice drawing from life, such as a still life setup, or from photographs. It'll improve your ability to observe and translate what you see onto the paper. Another important aspect of drawing is learning how to use different drawing tools and materials. Pencils, charcoal, ink, and markers are some of the most common materials used for drawing. Each has its own unique characteristics and can be used to create different effects. Try experimenting with different tools and materials to find out which you prefer and which work best for the type of drawings you want to create. When you start to draw, it's natural to focus on trying to make your drawings look perfect. However, one of the keys to improving your drawing skills is to practice, practice, practice. Don't be discouraged if your drawings don't look perfect at first. It's important to remember that drawing is a skill that takes time and practice to master. Try to focus on capturing the essence of an object or subject, rather than making it look perfect. In addition, it's crucial to understand and use the concepts of perspective, composition, and lighting in your drawings. Perspective gives the drawing depth and dimension. Composition is the arrangement of elements in a drawing to create a visual interest, and lighting creates mood, volume, and texture to the subject. Understanding these concepts will make your drawings more realistic and dynamic. Also, study the works of other artists. Take a look at how they approached the subject, the techniques they used, and the materials they chose. This will give you new ideas and inspiration for your own drawings and help you develop your own unique style. Lastly, never stop learning. Draw regularly and explore new techniques and materials. Take classes, workshops, or online tutorials to learn new skills. Attend art shows and exhibitions to see how other artists are working. By continuously learning and growing as an artist, you will be able to achieve your artistic goals and create drawings that you can be proud of. In conclusion, drawing is a skill that can be learned by anyone. By learning the basic shapes and forms, practicing your observation skills, experimenting with different tools and materials, and studying the works of other artists, you'll be able to improve your drawing skills and create beautiful and expressive drawings. Remember to be patient with yourself, practice regularly, and always keep learning, and you'll be on your way to becoming a skilled and confident artist.